Motivation is temporary, it fades the moment life gets tough. But there's one thing that keeps winners moving forward: discipline. Elon Musk didn't build Tesla with motivation. Zuckerberg didn't create Facebook with just excitement. And The Rock doesn't wake up at 4 a.m. every day because of motivation. They do it because of their discipline. Discipline is greater than motivation. Motivation is like a spark, it lights the fire, but it burns out quickly. Discipline is the engine, it keeps running even when you don't feel like it. For example, Elon Musk works 80 to 100 hours a week, not motivated every day, but disciplined. When Tesla was on the verge of collapse, he slept on the factory floor to solve problems instead of going home. That's the discipline. So build systems, not just goals. Discipline comes from systems, habits, and routines. Motivation says, I'll work when I feel like it. Discipline says, I'll work because it's on my calendar. As an example, Mark Zuckerberg wears the same gray t shirt daily. Why? He removes small decisions so he can stay disciplined on big ones. It's about consistency, not excitement. So, discipline is a daily choice. Small wins daily build unstoppable momentum. Even when tired, you show up. That's how legends are made. As an example, Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, wakes up at 4 a.m. to hit the gym before shooting movies. Does he feel motivated every single day? No. But his discipline makes him the highest paid actor and most admired athlete in the world. The rising question here is how you can build your own discipline. So you must have to follow these steps. First of all, start from small. 10 push-ups daily, 10 minutes readings. Let small actions create your identity. Also remove distractions from your environment, like Zuckerberg clears his wardrobe. Show up daily, even when you don't feel like it. Remember, success doesn't care about your feelings, it cares about your discipline. So, here we go. Motivation is for starters, discipline is for finishers. Elon Musk didn't wait to feel motivated, he acted. Zuckerberg didn't rely on excitement, he built systems. The Rock doesn't wait for the perfect mood, he shows up. So ask yourself today, are you chasing motivation or are you building system? Because only discipline will take you from dreams to your reality. So please focus on discipline, not only on motivation. Because discipline is the difference between being in control of your future and letting your future control you. Discipline creates identity. Every act of discipline is a vote for the person you want to become. You don't just do disciplined things, you become a disciplined person. The identity will carry you further than any temporary burst of motivation. So if you want to carry identity of discipline, so you must have to take step outside your comfort zone. Growth doesn't live where it's easy, it lives where it hurts. Elon Musk, Zuckerberg, The Rock, they are not superhuman, they are simply disciplined. Now it's your turn. Build your discipline one small action at a time and watch how your life transforms. And tomorrow I'll take you one step further. Because once you build discipline, the next challenge is breaking out of your comfort zone. That's where the real growth begins. Don't miss it. Stay disciplined, stay alert.